Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to build a modern desktop application using Electron with Next.js and TypeScript. We will use Nextron which makes everything super easy, and we will also structure our app properly with services, models and IPC communication. By the end of this video you will be able to create scalable cross-platform desktop apps for Windows, Mac and Linux. What we are building, we are not just building a basic app, we are building scalable architecture. We will cover Electron plus Next.js integration, clean folder architecture, API call using IPC secure way, UI with Tailwind CSS material UI. Okay, so uh, let we log in to the application. So next part is what is Electron simple way. I will show you. Go to the Chrome and open Electron. Electron allow you to build desktop application using web technology like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So, so here you can see about Electron. Apps like VS Code and Slack are built using Electron. So basically, you write web code and it runs like a desktop app. Here is all detail about how to get started. These are all the documentation about Electron, what Electron do, and how to use in a project. So this is a JavaScript library, Electron. So next part is a why Nextron. No, instead of setting up everything manually, we use Nextron. Nextron combine Electron, Next.js, TypeScript. So we get fast development routing from Next.js, clean structure out of the box. Using Nextron, we can make we can combine both Electron and Next.js rather than manually. So project structure. To create project, just run npx create Nextron my app, then go into the folder and run npm run dev. When project will so just run this command. Ignore example with the Tailwind CSS and run npx create next. So you can choose any name of the project. Project will create auto combine Electron and Next.js. So now we move folder structure important. Your project will manually have two parts. Main Electron backend, render Next.js frontend. You can see render folder and main folder. Okay. IPC communication key concept. In Electron, we should not call API directly from the front end. Instead, we use IPC inter-process communication. Okay, go to the inter-process communication flow like this: front end IPC, main process, API, response, and front end. Example of IPC flow. In the render, next yes, we send a request like then in the main process we'll handle it. IPC main dot handle. So action name, then API will call here and send response back. This is the clean and recommended way. Sources and module clean architecture inside Next.js. So go to the render part. We have made sources for API logic, modules for types and structure. Example, all services for login and sign up, and user module is keep our code and clean and maintain it. Okay. For UI, we use Tailwind CSS, Material UI for component. This combination help us build modern and responsive desktop UI easily. So you can see the code and clean architecture. So cross-platform build. Once your app is ready, you can build it for Windows, Mac, Linux, just run npm run build. So Electron will auto handle and generate the installer. When installer generate, then so that show how you can build a scalable desktop application using Electron and Next.js. If you found this helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe. And if you want, I can also make a full project tutorial step by step, like I am making this project. So let me show you the project. So avoid always use IPC for secure apps. Keep services reusable. Use TypeScript for better scaling. So these are the best approach to follow to make a desktop application. So you can see material UI. I am making a desktop application. So I have consumed two API. So you can see beautiful UI desktop platform, and here below is the data grid table. So mm, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Thank you.